world. It's fun to be Minnie. She has poise. She has style. What a sweet dress. And look at that smile. Her life is so dreamy. Her world is a whirl of all the fun things that delight any girl. Shopping for dresses and cute shoes and bows. What girl wouldn't squeal over fancy new clothes? Planning a picnic with good things to eat. Cooking and prepping. Oh my, what a treat! It's neat being Minnie. Her world is so sunny, with good food and friends who are happy and funny. It's great to be lazy with Daisy all day, while the boys pitch a tent. And then they all play. When the work is all done and the fun is unfurled, it's always a play day in cute Minnie's world. In fall, all her friends have a ball at her house. Parties, fiestas, hooray Minnie Mouse! In winter, it's wonderful. Step, glide, and twirl. Mickey goes sledding with his favorite girl. In spring, Minnie's garden is one big bouquet. It's lovely, it's fabulous, wouldn't you say? In summer, her yard is the best place to be. With splatters and sprinklers, it's one splashing spree. Whee! It's great to be Minnie. She's spunky and fun. Wherever she goes, she charms everyone. With her bow set just right and her eyelashes curled, sweet Minnie sits pretty in her perfect world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. For more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, everyone. See you next time.